Turner Criminals. Bye Bye Blackbird. It's a standard song written by Ray Henderson and lyrics by Mort Dixon. It's written in 1926 and it's one of their first collaborations together and one of their most successful ones as well. What does it mean? Bye Bye Blackbird? Well, for me it means blackbird on your shoulder in a black mood. He's already in the black mood, but now he's going home. Someone's waiting for him. Could be a girlfriend, could be a mother, we don't know. But the mood is lifted, so it's Bye Bye Blackbird. That's a nice way of doing it. I'll sing the song first of all, and then I'll go through all the chords in close-up. Pack up all my cares and woes, here I go, singing low. Where somebody waits for me, sugar sweet, so is she. Bye bye blackbird. No one here can love or understand me. Oh, what hard luck stories they all hand me. Make my bed, light the light, I'll arrive late tonight. Blackbird, bye bye, blackbird, 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 bye bye. It's in the chord of C, so C major, so first chord is a C major chord. Next chord is a C, but notes of a C chord are C, E and G, and what's happening here is the fourth note is suspended, C sus4. Fourth note is suspended, fourth note is the F, giving a clash, slight discord, and then resolving down. Adding tension and suspense. Which is always a good thing. The next verse starts with the D minor chord. Then you have this interesting A augmented, A, C sharp, E, and the augmented bit is the fifth note raised a semitone to an F sharp. So each of the notes of the augmented chord are 4 semitones apart. So we've got here D minor, and then two ways of playing this. You can play it with the third finger on the fourth string at the second fret, and the first and second fingers on the strings 3 and 2 at the first fret. The other way to play it is to keep the D finger here and just put one finger over 2 strings. That's one finger covering 2 strings. If you can do it, I think that's cleaner. That's an F chord. And then in the first no one here can love or understand, you've got the C chord, but followed by B flat 7. Now B flat 7, some people I know have difficulty with. I do recommend you try and learn to do a barre if you possibly can. But there's an alternative. B flat 7 consists of the notes B flat, D, F and A. And D, F and A are D minor, notes of D minor. So you could get away with it if you're really desperate with no one here can love or D minor chord. And me. Oh, what hard stories they all. If you want, I can't think of a way of getting out of this unless you mean it out all completely. That's the F sharp diminished 7th. Diminished 7th chords are interesting, of course, because there's only 3 of them, and they all have the same fingering. Once you get to after 3 of those, you're back to the same notes as before. And also that means that diminished seventh chords have got 4 different names according to the 4 different notes that are in them. Okay, B flat 7 again if you want to substitute a D minor. And then at the end you've got Blackbird Bye Bye, and the repeat I7 Blackbird. Now this is an unusual chord, E minor 7 Blackbird. That's just 2 fingers down, second fret on strings 1 and 3. Nice chord though. Blackbird, 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 Bye, Bye. You see I'm doing a very simple strum here, just with the thumb going across. You can make it more complicated if you want, but you get away with that perfectly well. It's a nice song, very much a standard song. Well, I hope you found that interesting and useful, so have a go. But whatever you do, however you do it, have fun.